In today's video, I'll teach you how to recover FEMBi mortgage password. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link, fembi.loanadministration.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of FEMBi mortgage. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to the login interface. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you have forgotten your password and if you want to recover it, for that what you have to do is simply find this option for forgot password. Once you find it, click on it. Now you'll be led to the password recovery interface. You can see over here, you'll have to fill out these informations that you can see on the screen. So first of all, click on the field of username and enter your username over here. Likewise, click on the field of SSN and enter the SSN. After you do that, click on the field of email address and enter the email address associated with your account. Now after you fill out these informations, click on the recover option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, a link to reset your password will be sent to your email. Simply open the Gmail. Click on the email sent by FEMBi Mortgage. In that email, you'll be able to find the link. Simply click on the link and you'll be able to recover your password. All you have to do is simply set a new password for yourself. Set a new password for yourself and your password will be recovered. So like this, you'll be able to recover the password. So that is how you recover FEMBi Mortgage password. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.